Janice here. Hello guys! Welcome back to my cooking channel, and today's episode we're gonna be making something different yet so easy to make, and it is called Hawaiian SPamMusubi. So here are the ingredients that we're gonna be needing today. First, we're gonna be needing 1 cup of Japanese rice, short grain Japanese rice, and then we're gonna be adding avocado. So I have 1 avocado here, and we have 3/4 sugar, and we have 1 can of Spam, and we have 1/2 cup of soy sauce. I'm looking at you. And then this is just an optional. We're gonna be adding mayo as well. And 2 most important ingredients, we will be needing rice vinegar. And make sure the rice vinegar is seasoned, mild and sweet. Or if not, if you could only buy rice vinegar, you could just mix it with salt and sugar. And then we're gonna be needing seaweed. And today we're gonna be using the organic sushi nori premium roasted seaweed. Okay, so first thing that we're gonna do is we need to wash the rice. So we're gonna wash the rice until just like when you're cooking rice at home, you want to make sure that the water is clean and clear. So now hindi pa siya. Okay, so now as you can see, the water is clear already. Malinis na po siya. Okay. Pangit pa naman ang rice. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna be cooking the rice. So we have 1 cup of rice here, and we would need 1 cup of water as well, okay? So the ratio needs to be 1:1. 1:1. Okay. Ta-da! So while waiting for our rice, now we'll have to. So now we're gonna fry the Spam. And with the Spam, you can make like 8. You can slice it in 8 pieces. So mainit na po siya at nag-aapoy na. Okay. And you want to make sure that your Spam is thick, 'di ba? Hindi dapat siya manipis. So yan. Okay, I think our pan is ready. Ako na. And then guys, make sure na huwag nyo itatapon yung lata ng Spam because we're gonna be using it later. Okay? So make sure you keep the can. Gamitin natin mamaya. Talagang ano siya. Crunchy na. Parang burn. Grabe, ang galing-galing ko. Ang galing ko. And make sure while cooking, you're smiling para masarap ang luto nyo. Okay, so now we're just gonna set aside our Spam. Okay na siya, luto na siya. Naluto na ang Spam. Mukhang napakasarap. looks so good. Look at the spam. Sunog pala. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be making the sauce. All we need is the sugar and the soy sauce. Napakadali. Okay, and then make sure yung fire natin is low lang, low fire. So, lagay natin ang soy sauce. And then sunod na natin ang the sugar. Oh. Bango niya na. Smells really good. Smells like soy sauce. So, pinapamelt lang natin yung sugar. Okay guys, so once you see na nag-thicken na yung sauce, lalagay na natin yung, we're gonna need to put the Spam. Excuse me. This time, pwede na natin siyang i-flip. Make sure yung sauce natin hindi siya mag-dry up sa Spam. Because if not, titigas again yung sugar. So, parang ano lang natin, ginagawang caramelized, it's like caramelized Spam. Okay guys, this is almost done. So like, the purpose lang niya is the Spam needs to absorb yung sauce. And you will see, pag ganyan, medyo, anong tawag dyan? Mas sticky na siya. Ngayon, hindi pa masyado. Pero almost done na siya. Okay guys, I think it's ready na. So just make sure na hindi siya masyadong matagal. If not, maglalasang sunog na siya. But right now, perfecto na siya. Off na natin yung stove. And I'm just making 4 kasi dalawa lang kaming kakain. Plus Chico. And Sophie. So yan guys, it's like Spam tocino, right? Spam tocino. Okay, so now guys, we have the rice here. So you wanna and we have the vinegar here. You need 1/3 cup of vinegar. And you want to mix it with the rice while it's still hot. Okay, so now we'll mix it. Okay, and then when you mix it, make sure that hindi mag-break yung rice. Ganyan siya. It smells like sushi already. So just don't mix it too much. So just make sure na na-cover yung rice is na-cover na siya ng vinegar. And then, so ganyan lang siya. After this, we'll have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Isa-set aside natin yung rice. We'll let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. So now, okay na yung rice natin. Hindi na siya mainit. And then, I already cut the seaweed into half. So, eto siya. And with the seaweed, meron siyang part. It has the rough part. And we have the shiny part, right? So mamaya when we put the rice, yung rough part should be inside. And then, in-slice ko na yung avocado. And just have to Spam here. Okay. And also, we're gonna be needing a plastic food wrap. So, plastic wrap. Mga ganyan lang. Ganyan. Okay? And then, we're gonna put the plastic inside the can. Okay. So, yan siya. So, pasok lang natin yung plastic inside. And then, after that, we're gonna put the rice. Mga half inch lang. And then, you need to press it inside. So, ganyan. Dapat siya. So, parang magiging parang kasing size siya ng Spam. When you put it. Okay, tingnan na siya. Just make sure na talagang i-press mo siya. Okay. And then after that, we're gonna put the Spam inside. And so optional lang. If you want mayo, you could put mayo. If not, kahit wala na. Okay? I'll just put mayo. And usually, yung original na Hawaiian SPamMusubi, wala siyang avocado, and wala siyang mayo, but we're making our own recipe here. So, meron siyang twist. Diba? Twist. Okay. So, yan siya. So, now we're gonna put the Spam inside. So, ganyan siya. Diba? Sa loob yung mayo. Okay. So, press. Optional din siya. You could also add egg. So, later I'm gonna make one with egg. But, nakalimutan ko siya. So, so then after this, we'll just remove it from the can. So, dapat ganyan siya. And then now, we're gonna take one seaweed. So again, etong rough part niya, dito dapat siya inside. So, nasa labas yung shiny part. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the middle. So nice. Okay, and then we're gonna put mga 3 pieces. Dalawa lang. Yan. Yummy. Okay, and then close lang natin siya. Diba? Parang meron lang tayong sushi. Oh, basahin pala natin siya para mag-stick. So just water. So basahin lang natin yung kamay natin ng water. Meron na tayong SPamMusubi. We just need to cut it up. Right? Cut natin siya. So, medyo basain natin ang ating knife when you cut it. Okay. So, ikakat na natin siya. Medyo yo! Okay, so this is the last one. I did the one with egg. So, ganyan siya if merong egg. Okay, so with egg. And this is one of the most popular snack in Hawaii. They eat it for breakfast, snack. You could get it in Delhi or anywhere. Pero yun. So now, magpa-plating lang tayo. Lagay lang natin siya ng diretso. Parang ganyan lang. And then, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng garnish. If meron kayong something green, pero wala akong ganun right now. So now I'm gonna try it, guys! Woohoo! Ganyan siya. Tap! I'm gonna put mayo. And since I like spicy, I'm gonna add some sriracha. Spicy sriracha. Pero mayo, okay na siya with mayo. I'm gonna try it. Da-da-da-da-da. Sarap! Nag-balance yung taste niya kasi because of the avocado. Sarap! Nagutom ako. Yeah. Yummy! Sarap! Good.